Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if and or function together. So in situations like if you have three conditions for any result and you want to show in any cell, you have to use this condition. So how to use this condition? Here you will see I have this column: employee column, sale column, year company column, and is lead, team lead, and bonus eligibility. So I want to use all these three columns, okay, for the bonus eligibility criteria, to set bonus eligibility criteria. So my first bonus eligibility criteria is if the employee has sale over 60,000, then he is eligible for bonus, okay. And second criteria is if he has not above 60,000, okay, he has not sell above 60,000 but he has 2 year experience, more than 2 year experience, so he is eligible for bonus. If he has not 60,000 sale, or he has not experience in more than 2 years, but he is a team lead, or she is a team lead, then he is eligible for bonus. So I have three criteria. Now I will set it, and on the basis of that I will know is these employees are eligible for bonus or not. So for that, what you have to do, you have to use if and or function together. So equals to, first type if, then bracket open, and then first logic is sale should be more than 60,000, okay. Then now we will use or company year should be more than 2, comma, second is he should be equals to yes team lead, okay, bracket. But here you have to just inverted comma, before text you have to enter inverted comma, then comma, close, then comma. If he is eligible, he has more than 60,000, or he has more than 2 years experience, or he is team lead, then what happened? Eligible, okay. Now if he doesn't match the criteria, so he or she doesn't match the criteria, then not eligible, okay, bracket close. So you will see like this you can use this if and or function. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.